I need to fade away or stay laying down on the floor? I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland.
Good morning, guys. That's how my hair looks like in the morning. Let's wash it. The hair is dry and ready to style. First, slightly bit of hair fibers. That's it. Volumizing powder and the paste. And we are finished. The coffee is done. And it tastes good, actually. 3 bananas after workout and in between the workout if I'm gonna stay longer than 1 hour. Alright guys, the workout is finished. It was like 90 minutes, very short breaks, a lot of different exercises for upper body. You working out what you want basically. So now let's make some sick drone footage.
Do I need to fade away or stay laying down on the floor? I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need.
Just came from the beach. Yeah, I'm getting tanned. That's what you wanted, Matt. Loving this tan so far. Amazing. This is what I do every time I go to the beach. Olive oil. Ready for the bodybuilding show. Oh yeah! Let's go outside and let's do some cool stuff because it's still day. I wanna experience some things here in Miami, not just sit inside and do nothing. Now let's make a test. Let's see how my hair can surpass the windy conditions. Alright guys, so the rest of the day I basically spent bicycling, searching for nice locations at Miami Beach where I can take some nice videos and pictures with my camera and my drone. And especially what I did is I filmed a 4K video and then tried to export a photo out of this video. So if you're interested how the quality was and how the pictures were, you can check out my Instagram as well, where I already uploaded some of the pictures, so check it out guys. Alright guys, now I'm gonna edit some pictures, some videos, and yeah, it was a good day. I really enjoyed that, especially the sceneries, the beautiful beaches here. Oh man, that was amazing, wasn't it? This is how my hair looks like after 1 day of shooting videos, pictures, riding a bike, shooting pictures and videos on the beach, running on a beach, windy weather. See, if you style your hair properly, put just a slightly bit of hair fibers there in the morning, it's gonna last you all day. No kidding guys. Some Oreos, that's my guilty pleasure.
I'm gonna consider this day as a cheat day. I'm gonna eat them with a sweet yogurt, something like vanilla yogurt, and this is just amazing. You know, these days have been quite healthy and I'm eating well, I'm working out every day, so this is a reward that I'm allowing myself to eat, to consume. Alright, I don't care how many calories are in there, it's just gonna be for one day, one time thing, so that's why I don't really care. I just eat it, enjoy it, don't think about it, because I just know that tomorrow I'm gonna start my day as the day is supposed to be started, with a cup of coffee, nice workout and healthy foods all day long. Thank you so much for watching, guys. So like a basic pompadour, but I don't really style it up so much. Alright guys, so this is the number one that I really like.